In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed YouTube video on Wix website. Full tutorial. Adding video is one of the fastest ways to make your pages more engaging, and Wix makes the process straightforward with a built-in YouTube player that keeps your content looking sharp. We'll move through a simple flow. Create space, add the player, link your video, fine-tune the layout and playback, and then preview to confirm everything works smoothly. First, create a dedicated spot for your video so it doesn't crowd existing content. In the Wix editor, click the Add Section button. In the panel that opens, head to the Basic tab and pick a blank section. This gives you a clean canvas and makes alignment easier later. You can drag the section where you want it on the page, giving your video room to breathe and avoiding overlap with text or images. Next, add the video element itself. Click the plus icon to open the Add Elements panel. Go to Video and Music. Then find the single video player's category and choose YouTube. Click or drag the YouTube player into the center of your new section. Dropping it in the middle helps Wix snap it to helpful guides so it looks balanced from the start. Now connect your content. Select the player and click Change Video. If you already have the link, paste the YouTube URL directly. If you don't, use the Search Videos option to look it up by title or keywords, something like how to download Figma for free, and then pick your video from the results. Make sure your video is set to public or unlisted on YouTube so it can play on your site without issues. With the video in place, adjust its size and layout. Always resize using the corner handles so the aspect ratio stays accurate and your video won't look stretched. To create a full width feel, drag the corners toward the side margins until you see them lock into place. Open the settings to tailor behavior. Toggle autoplay if you want it to start automatically. Enable video looping for continuous playback and add a clear video description to improve SEO and accessibility. Finally, refine the look and confirm functionality. In the Layout tab, choose how playback controls appear, only on hover or hidden if you're going for a minimal look. In the design menu, customize details like border, shadow, and the play button text to match your brand. When you're happy, click preview at the top of the editor and test the video end to end on both desktop and mobile views to ensure everything loads quickly and plays correctly.